Hi, Tom here with Gill Construction Solutions. I'm here with Miss Casey, and we did this barn door project right behind us. This looks beautiful with the windows around it. It's fantastic. I think you would agree and be super happy with the project, right?
Oh yes, I'm very happy with it.
Yes, awesome.
Beautiful.
Were there any issues that we had during this project, and if there were any issues, how did we handle those issues?
Well, we honestly had no issues with the project.
There were no issues.
There were no issues. It went very smoothly.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
I think I knew the answer to that, but I just wanted to ask anyway.
Yes.
The project went really flawlessly.
Yes.
Brian did an amazing job. Everything turned out really well. The glass was installed. Everything was on schedule and worked out real well.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Would agree 100%.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.